Hey guys, Cebuana Vlogs here. So for today's video, I'm gonna do some unboxing dahil birthday ko today. And this is a gift from a friend. Yan, gift to sa friend ko nga, sponsor ko dito guys sa Visa. Siya yung sponsor ko at ang bait niya guys. Binigyan niya ako ng gift. Pumunta siya dito sa bahay tapos dineliver yung gift. Oh my god, I'm so blessed to have her. She's so kind. And there's another one, i-unbox ko guys. Ito ay gift ng asawa ko sa akin. Ito yung request ko guys. So i-open na natin ito first and the other one. Mas excited na ako guys. Excited na ako. I'm so excited. So can you please comment down below? Happy birthday to me. Yeah. It's my birthday and I'm getting old. I don't know, but I will cut this one here. And I am left-handed. I hope you don't mind. Of course I will. Hulaan nyo kung ano to. Ay, by the way, hulaan nyo yung price nito, exact price including the shipping. At I will give you 100 Gcash. So, okay, sa makahula, 1 person only. Magluto na siya kami sa gawas. Hello, this is it. Oh my god, ang cute pala niya. Dried fish. This is dried fish. So, ang cute pala niya guys. At saka 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 6, 24 lang siya guys. 24 pieces lang yung naman. Expensive yan. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wala, ang cute pala naman. Ganito lang siya at ang mahal na. Oh my god. Yan, ganyan talaga dito sa US guys. Ang mahal ng bulag guys. Coco Blanca. Ayan, may kape na ako. Char, I'm happy. Ito ay salted fish. So, ito yung gift sa akin ng asawa. Siya yung nagbayad nito. Hindi ako. Tingnan natin. Hanggang altarukan ang guys. Hindi sa nga itong sudan ron lang. May ka-guys. Kaya nang ginamot ko. Bulat ang sudan. So, kuan ako dito. Mag 5 months ako dito sa Amerika. So, kakaolat ang pangyayon. Tutos mo guys. Gamay. Di siya kayo. Hindi na lang. At least na ang liit na guys. Cute. Kaunang tabulad ko. Tanga na siniseta. Wala ka po. Nihito kayo sa Amerika guys. So, muaring mag-Amerika guys. Pagdamot isa ka sa akin bulad. Ha? Yan yung minigusyo. Naging ka na parta. Mahal kayo din. Usa ka kalimbulara kani kuani guys $12 times of 50. So ayan, tingnan ko guys pilay kita na tanan guys din makaktagan mo gaang tambugan ng red Gcash long nala ko ano gud siya guys, bulat gud siya bulat ginamos gud siya nga malos gud siya ginamos guys. Tanawa, yes nanatay ginamos. Nakita ko og mangga sa Costco. Star mango. Balik pa dito palitag mangga kanina tignan. Ayan, ito na guys. Cooked coffee at saka dried fish. So ayan, yun lang naman guys. So hulaan niyo kung magkano yan lahat. So dito na tayo sa gift ng sponsor ko dito. Ayan. Thank you so much for this gift, Miss Gloria. Thank you. Ayan. So, i-open na natin guys. body cream siya in the store. Bath and Body Works. Ayan, body cream. Oh my god, ang dami ko na guys. Okay. Ito pa. Kasi may unbox pa ako ito kay moisturizing body wash. Same siya in the store sa Bath and Body Works. Wow. Ay, sale pala na yan. Oh. Beautiful day. Hand foaming hand wash. Ayan, hand wash. And my card. So, nabasa ko na to guys kasi pagdating niya dito, binasa ko yung card. Sabi niya, basahin ko to. Ayan, happy birthday Mirasol. So, ito yun. Sweet kay siya guys. I love her. Ayan, dear Marisol. Oh, diba? Marisol. Happy birthday. Hopefully you'll have a great time on your special day. Love, Gloria. Ayan. Hope your birthday weekend's with happy and just keep getting better from there. Ayan, that's very sweet message. Thank you so much. And there's another one. A picture frame. Oh, cute. Picture frame. Cute guys. Cute niya. Ayan, lagyan natin to ng picture natin. Picture ko. So, yun. So, yun guys. Yun ang gift ko guys. I'm so happy na naka-receive ng gift. So, thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to comment the price of the dried fish, the total including the shipping. Okay? So, one person only. If you can guess to the price, so I give you 100 Gcash. Ayan. So, and thank you so much and see you on my next video. I will do live streaming later after this premiere. I think if I can do this premiere. Bye bye guys and love you all and thank you for watching. So, 10 yung coffee, 10. Tsaka yung bulad guys, ang liit lang talaga. Kuhan lang to. Maliit lang ba? Duhara ko kaon guys. So, yan. So, yan. Thank you so much guys for watching. And yes, I will enjoy my dried fish.
Do you want to know?